Meet Norm. He is a neat freak, just one of those people who cleans everything. Under the couch, the back of his freezer, even his attic does not have a spot of dust. This does not end when you see his car, a beautiful sedan. Even the back seats are vacuumed and shampooed weekly. One day, Norm was driving to work and his car starts to feel a little sluggish. He looks down at the gauge and sees the needle on his temperature gauge jump a little. He had not been in for his oil change in a while, thought maybe that was the issue. He gave his mechanic a call and booked an appointment for later that day. When he walks in, as usual, everyone calls out, "Norm!" He's excited to see the gang. It's been a while, but they always remember him. He feels like family. They take his car into service and call him back shortly after. His mechanic says, "As usual, your vehicle looks great. There's just one thing." He opened the radiator cap so Norm can see not only is the coolant in the radiator dirty, he can see flecks of debris in it. Norm is disgusted and says, "I had no idea." The mechanic reassures him. Most people don't know your coolant is a fluid that runs through your engine and with your radiator's help keeps your engine cool. But now it's contaminated, which is creating a buildup in your radiator, which is why your temperature gauge jumped a little. We need to remove the old, dirty fluid and replace it with new fluid. It's a simple process which protects your engine from overheating, which can eliminate a chain of expensive repairs like replacing the radiator. Norm happily agrees to the service, has it done immediately. On the way home, Norm was smiling. He knows he keeps his house clean of dust and bacteria to keep his health in good condition. The coolant exchange did the same for his car and knows he'll see a big difference in how long his car runs and the money he'll save on repairs. If your car is overheating, feels a little sluggish, or you can't remember the last time you had a coolant exchange, give us a call today. We want to keep your car in great condition and, like Norm, invite you into our auto repair family.